Hey guys, today we are looking at this 2023 Ford F150 Lightning Platinum, finished in agate black. We have the 22-inch wheels on it. If we pop open the front, tons of storage down here, Pro Power on board. You have 11 outlets in total in this truck. With a nice lightning badge, spray and bed liner, power tailgate with a tailgate step, more plugs in the back here, power closing as well. Going into the interior, you have this nice suede and leather combination on the door panel with gloss black accents and a nice mesh for the B&O sound system. Exclusive to the Platinum, these seats, dual tone interior with platinum badging, really neat touch. We have the twin panel moonroof as well, makes the cabin much more roomier. Nice accents on the interior as well. And if we hop in, we have this 12-inch gauge cluster and this 15-inch screen. And you can also close the front and the trunk from the interior. The screen is capable of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 360-degree camera. We have the Blue Cruise, which is the autonomous driving. We also have the adaptive cruise control with lane centering, wireless charging pad, heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel, 18 speakers with speakers up on the roof here and even in the headrest. We have the interior work surface. It's open just like that. So pretty neat stuff, tons of storage. Again, more plugs inside here. Your trailer tow technology.